Imagine doing the work you love and according to your own way and schedule, and getting paid as much as you decide. Sounds crazy, right? So today we're going to make it possible. Today's topic is super exciting, informative, and can change your way of earning lots of money. In today's video, we'll be discussing freelancing, what it is, how to start earning through it, some examples of freelancing, and the top sites for freelancing. And in addition, we are going to give you some valuable tips for freelancing, which are going to help you in long run and help earn more money. So do watch the video till end. So, what is freelancing? Freelancing is basically when you work for yourself and not for a specific company. Instead of having a 9-to-5 job, you offer your services to different clients on a project-by-project basis and have more control over your work schedule, rates, and projects. It's like being your own boss. And that's why it's so appealing to many people, isn't it? Now, how can you start earning through freelancing? You first need to identify your skills and expertise. Once you have done that, you can start looking for projects that match your skills. There are many websites out there that offer freelancing opportunities, and we'll be discussing the top 5 in just a moment. But first, I want to remind you to hit the like button and share this video with anyone who you think might be interested. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Now let's talk about the top 5 freelancing sites. First on the list is Upwork. This platform offers a wide variety of projects in fields like writing, design, programming, and more. Next up is Freelancer. This website is perfect for anyone in the tech industry, with projects ranging from web development to coding. If you're a creative, then you should check out Fiverr. This site offers affordable services in fields like graphic design, writing, and social media management. Another great freelancing site is Guru. With over 3 million members worldwide, Guru offers a wide range of projects in fields like programming, design, and business. And last but not least, we have People Per Hour. This site offers a unique approach to freelancing, allowing you to set your own rates and work with clients directly. Before I wrap up this video, I want to give you some tips if you're just starting with freelancing. First, be patient. It may take some time to find your first gig, but don't give up. Keep applying and keep improving your skills. Second, always communicate with your clients. Make sure you understand their needs and expectations and keep them informed of your progress. Third, make sure you get paid what you're worth. It's important to set your rates based on your experience and expertise. Don't sell yourself short, and make sure you negotiate your rates with your clients. And finally, make sure you have a strong portfolio that showcases your work. This will help you stand out from other freelancers and attract more clients. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and suggestions for future topics.